Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. When we think of Indian sweets, kheer, laddus and halwa, I think these are the three names which come at the top of the list. And we can make these out of any ingredients, I would say. So today's recipe is a classic laddu. We are making besan laddus. Besan laddu, I would say, is one of the easiest laddus to make. And the ingredients for these will be readily available in everyone's kitchen pantry. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. For making the besan laddu, the first step is to roast the besan or the gram flour. So we roast it in a little bit of ghee first, and then we add the rest of the ghee. So make sure you don't add in all the ghee all at once. And you may not even need the entire ghee that you're using for this recipe. So it depends on how much the besan soaks up. Add a little ghee to the kadai. And then let's add the besan or the gram flour. So you need to roast this on a low to medium flame and make sure you continuously keep stirring this. So when we start roasting, you will notice that it's not easy to move the flour around, but as it gets roasted, it really becomes light and it becomes fluffier. You know your besan is roasted when it starts giving out that nutty aroma, and it has a soft sand-like texture as well. So at this stage, let's add in some more ghee. So I would say reserve a little bit of ghee and add the rest of it first. Continue stirring. And if you see the besan has started releasing a little bit of ghee, then that's enough. Otherwise, you can add a little more of the ghee. So the base for the laddus are done. Let's keep this aside, transfer it to another bowl and then let it cool down a little before we add the last two ingredients. So into this goes in some powdered sugar and some cardamom powder for flavor. So mix this well. And then it's ready to be shaped into laddus. So these yummy besan laddus are ready. So I'm sure you wouldn't be able to wait much after you make this. And if you have kids at home, most likely you wouldn't be even able to shape the entire thing. The besan mix will be eaten as is, I can assure you of that.